Okay, now start recording. Sorry. Okay, let me explain something over here. So I already made the listed what are things I had to talk it about today. Okay, so hello Supercar Blondie. So one of my favorite YouTuber. So I like to watch they explain the car. They are introducing new car like out of that topic. Look at that. That's why I try and make it this point over here. First, what happened today? Today, so pain, where's pain, come on, pain. Today I made one of my, not mine, no, our, okay, we said our old home area one guy. So no need to mention his name. So well established career, maybe he's a well established career, I don't know. Anyhow, for me, he's earning money, he's already married, had children. I can't recall he got the children or something. After a long time, he met me today. So mm, when I met him, he just mentioned, "Oh, this guy doing that kind." It's like a small child. Okay, why he's always coming with the same topic? I know I'm not the only one doing in the same shit in the TikTok, YouTube, WhatsApp, and in our hometown. Everybody doing better than me. Who is doing? What's his name? Shazmir has a drone technology, not a technology. He has a drone camera. He just most of the video, not a most of the all of the videos. Is there no point I'm getting jealous of him? So most of the video, oh no, sorry, all of the videos, super high quality. I really like his video. I already downloaded his videos, hometown video, like that. So like that. When he explaining something, so I try to argue with him, but anyhow, it's a no use to argue with him. Anyhow, I really irritate him when the type of he approaching me. So no, not irritating. So I can't really recall the correct word for what I that I'm feeling. So annoying, that way annoying. So that's why I so I had to make it point out to certain things. When we are talking that time, he same give me some advice. I said I acknowledge that advice and I provide my side of argument like that. So that's why I just point out here. Everyone has their own right for their opinion. So maybe that's not right. So that mean you asking, okay, for me I'm getting bold, so the genetical problem for me, generation. So our dead grandpa has a problem, so losing hair. So for me I'm getting same problem. Okay, there's a meaning Wikipedia, everyone has their own opinion. So if you can't share with your own opinion with that person who suggesting something into you do, is not worth arguing, worth doing that what he asked you to do. So same thing. He asked me to use some kind of oil. It's coming from Amazon. So I had no idea how he getting from Amazon, not Amazon. Amazon just Brazil is getting by Amazon. Amazon. Amazon forest. So it's getting from Amazon for some kind of oil. It's a rare material Amazon oil. Amazon oil. So I'm not sure in our country it's a import. Most of the import are burned. Yeah, we don't have a dollar. We are poor country. I'm not shame about that one regarding to our country. So it's because of my things that temporarily. So everything is a temporary, no? So there's nothing is permanent in this world. So it's like this dollar problem. So Okay, my US computer getting too much loud. Sorry for that one. From I said okay. I don't like it to use it. You know why? It's a genetical problem. Genetical problem. You can't stop it. It will happen. It, but only you can slow it down. So he said no, no. He's getting more Amazon. Like I said, is it impossible to what we call stop it losing hair? No, he then tried to argue with me. I suggest something, no? So use that oil. You are not going to lose the hair. Also, you will grow the hair. I said, yeah, but I don't like to use oil because of the genetic. He, after a few minutes arguing, poured back, then he said, why you are arguing with that one? I said, no, I am not arguing you with you. So I am not arguing with you like that. He, for me, that guy. He asking some question. Okay, use this oil. Your bald head getting hair and not losing hair. It's a new hairs coming now. My head already bald. So I said I don't want to use that oil. So because this head, a bald head, is a genetical problem. So he was a bald and he has a beard. So he said, why you are arguing with me? Why you are not just say, I don't, okay, I'll try. I said, you may give the same advice to 100, maybe 1,000 people. Everybody says same thing. But I don't like to say, yes, that's good. I'll try someday. I don't like to say. I'll say like this way. That's the thing he can't bear with that one. That's the thing. That's a way I'm argue with it. Everybody has their own opinion. No? Everybody has their own opinion. Where is the? I put it over here. Everyone has their own right for their opinion. I have my opinion. If I'm not share with him my opinion, why the hell he won't share with his opinion? Why, when my bald head? No, I can't understand that one. So I'm bold. His opinion, he's giving some suggestion, maybe opinion. Leave it anything. Use that oil, you will get hair, and you also not going to lose the hair. This is coming from rare material by Amazon forest. I don't know how he got to get that one. Still, after that I came to home. I have good friend of mine is a doctor, like you know a doctor. I asked it, okay, these are the situation. It's a for me, I am confirmed it's a genetical disease like that. You know, there is our grandpa is losing hair, so and their son already losing hair. For our dad, fourth child, I am the fourth one, no? So I am the one only losing hair. So it's not a problem for me to losing hair. It's a genetical problem. So in future, my children maybe one of my children I'm going to lose my hair, lose their hair. It's up to their problem. For I say like that. So the doctor also said you can't stop losing hair because of it's a genetical. You can only slow it down. I also say I'm happy with that answer. You know, that's the thing. Also, I try to explain to him, but this guy, no, no, no. Why you argue? Why you can't say simply yes? Uh, I'll say this guy called B. Yes, B, that's right. I'll try it maybe later, like that. He need to appreciate his knowledge and give the, some kind of I don't know what I tried to say to him. So like that. After that, he said he tried to bring it up some strange concept in Islam like that. What he tried to say it like that, and he's inside the home now. So let me try it out some color. He already inside the home, not the inside the home. He's already inside the shop. Look at that, this guy. Okay, I am coming to his job. Okay, I am going to come. He said, I am the one need to say salam to him. That's the way everybody doing. Why? Not everybody is exact way. So it's a close word. No? Everybody usually whoever came to inside, that's they are the one said a salam to inside person. He mentioning like that at home. If I go to their home, so I'm going to knock the door, say salam. If they anyone acknowledge it, then only I had to go. So salam basically. So I we are giving warning, no. So I'm outside. So be decent yourself. So like that, yeah, are you ready to face yourself to like that, something kind of like that. That scenario he's facing on his shop also, not his shop, one of my Hong Kong guy shop, electrical shop. So I said, bring me some proof. After that, he said, it's not in the Hadith or Quran, so it's the way we are doing. It's up to who I don't know. I never had that one. So if there any proof, I'm okay. If I learn after that this problem, okay, I'll do that. I follow that one. For until now, I have never heard about that kind of. Okay, who are coming outside? That's the one say salam. I know who are youngest say to salam to elders like that. So that's a good way to practice. So for me, that's a thing. So he said, okay. Like I said, okay, no. Why you are arguing with me? I said, I don't want to argue with you. I don't want to argue with you. That's my opinion. No? So you say something to me. You say something to me. I said yes, but it's not there is no proof. So if you can bring the proof, I'll follow it. He said, why are you like this, man? You think we are made the wrong food or something like that? What we call we are going to bed for it's going to bed. So like that. So what are you say you are again? I don't give a damn. So I'm not getting from anything from him or anything. I can't change him. Oh, he can't change me. Not like that. No. I don't want to change because who he is. So that's a thing. No? I don't want to change. Inside that's after what happened leaving shop. Let me bring to something too much things I can explain that. Okay, that's leave it that. So and another one, how far human can see. Let me see the before I just search it out this one. I'm going to say that's why I need to search it out this one. Oh, sorry, and no, not that one. He said, and with another guy, normal human naked eye can see China, the big wall from space. Wow, that's a trade. So also he's a Kaubatullah center of the world. Yeah, okay, I'm Islam. I can't. I don't need to research that one. So I'm not going to. That's the like power trust now. Like not a power trust. Like a what we call giving some kind of okay Kabutullah center of the world. Okay, like that. We have some pride now. That one I don't need to argue. I have to argue with this. He people can see it from what we call it, moon. Maybe moon. He bring it up the moon and space and okay, leave the moon and space. I'm going to say international is in space like that. Nah? Oh, okay. So people can see it from there. Yeah, that's a Kabatullah is where is it? Kabatullah is this is a okay. This is Saudi. Kabatullah digs big Kabatullah Masjid. Kabatullah over here is a one specific location, is a huge mark, huge masjid. It's like a 1 kilometer, 2 kilometer, 1 kilometer here to 1 kilometer, like that. So like a huge space in geographic area, no? So you can see it from anywhere. So small like that. So in the, yeah, you can see it. Even your home also you can see it from space like that. Okay, leave it that one. Chinese wall. Chinese wall only 6 meter, 6 feet. 6 maybe 6 feet or 6 meter something wide, and length I think kilometer. I don't know how many kilometer. If you can see this line very clearly, let me bring it up some point over here. This is a Chinese wall. Okay, leave it that one. This is a Chinese wall. This wall, let's say, I can't remember how many kilometer this one. Okay, don't bring it me. This is how much kilometer. Kilometer. Let's for example, 10 kilometer. Okay, 10 kilometer long. So let me argue the width. So in here 6 feet maybe, yeah, 6 feet only two person can walk to same time, maybe three, like the small, yeah. You can see this small size from space. Kabatal, leave the part of Kabatal, that's a kilometer with kilometer both side, like a huge. So Saudi Arabia like that. In here is a kilometer here, kilometer over here. So that's a huge space. So leave it that one, like a specific place. Is a 10 kilo for example. This is a 10 for example. 10 kilometer long, no problem. It's a huge length. So from this width, only 6 feet, maybe 3 meter, like that. You can't see it from 10 kilometer far away from this one, because it's going to be a tiny bit line, like a yeah, like a needle, like that, not like that, even like that. Look at like that. You can't even see it properly where it is the way, like that. You can see the little bit. If you have good eyes, you can see it little bit. Leave it that one. Okay, I get that. So if you need more about it, you can't see it from human made structure from space, like that. There are so many things. Egypt pyramid, you can see it from space. It's a huge, no? It's a, I think 500 meter. 500 meter is a triangle, no? Triangle 500 meter. That means you can see it from space. 500 meter with 500 meter high, both side, no? So like that, it's a huge. So you can see it from space. Look at that, huge. And okay, that is huge. This one length only, you can see it like a small line, but is you can't, if you are not understand this is China, okay, geographical area, this is China, this is a area. If you are not understand where to look it, you can't able to see, you are going to miss it. That's a problem, that you can't see it from space. Leave it. Only you can see it 3 miles away. Yeah, 3 miles. How many kilometer? 3 miles. Okay, how far you can human eye see? So look at that. Basic. The result for surface and I see fit also run further edge about 3 miles. Yeah, for me also I give it that one, 3 miles. Maybe let's say okay, 10 kilometer. 10 kilometer, because I climb up the top of mountain, our mountain area, so certain area you can see the light blue color. So that means that's why you can able to reach it. Even that structure also you can able to watch it clearly, like a light blue color, like that. That's why you can reach see it, no? Even the aeroplane 32, the 32, not that, 3200 feet above from surface, you can able to see small like that. It's with flight with height and width like that. This wing too. Here I think more than 50 meter. Yeah, 50, and here to like a 50, like a triangle. Na? You can see it. If it's a small aeroplane, you can able to see it from 32 kilometer feet away, 3200 feet away. I don't know they are going to see it. He never researched it. How far human can see it, how many human structure can see it from space like that. For that one, I search it. I can able to argue that he don't like it. They are like that. If they catch a rabbit that has the three leg, only nothing. That has the three leg, not a four. Allah Allah. So leave it. So that's another problem. Here from hotel which about 200. Look at the 100 miles. 100 miles mean that's a I think a Guinness record. So moon about miles away and easy to see some of the creativity and planet. Yeah, that's right. No, moon from 3,38,900 miles away. So miles to k km. Let me see how far from that human, how many kilometers I can see that human, that guy. Look at that, 160 kilometer. That's a huge. Yeah, normally 4 kilometer. Yeah, 4 kilometer. If I straight line, I can't able to see. I can able to see the mountain structure. Someone move it like a hand size, like that. So he don't know that one also. Human can see limited length of no limited. We have certain limited no. How far we human can see it like that. Certain limited. So here is the bright distance about. Look at that. We can see the moon that far from here. Even the full moon time, we can see the structure. It's a huge, not infrastructure. Moon is a huge. You can be able to see it. If you can see the what we call from space station to Chinese wall, Chinese big wall. Why you can't see the space station from here to there? That's the thing, no? Look at that. Okay, I had to close this one, so it's already study. This is the surface. This is the surface. You are here, China's wall here. Space station flying over you. So you can see Chinese wall from here. So you are seeing Chinese wall. So you can able to see from here to the place is space station. No, why you can't see it? Certain limitation. No, there's a certain limitation. You can't see it only blue sky. After blue sky, Morpheus, you can able to see without any light. Maybe I don't know. That's my knowledge. No, and another one. That's another one. Okay, Neil Armstrong. He said Neil Armstrong. So I think Neil Armstrong stayed the moon maybe nearly 1 day in moon surface. I think 1 day. Yeah, how long does Neil Armstrong stay in the moon over here? Yeah, Neil Armstrong. Yeah, everybody say he converted into Islam something. I also believe that time. So let me research it. Neil Armstrong is Muslim. is Muslim. Muslim. Let me see. False. But okay. Let me argue with that. Nilan, how they say step into moon, become Muslim, one, right, pass around the people, behavior, say, if we did find any sausage, where did you storyline false? It seems that this is a deliberate attempt to shake the faith of the ordinary Muslim. Look at that. So think about like that. No, over here. Oh, mankind. Uh, no. Okay, think about like that. The at that time, space war between the think about like that. Space war between why I can't select it all. Okay, something problem with my keyboard and mouse. So look at that. It's not working. Okay, something problem. Okay, think about like that. Um, at that time, the space war with the Mother Russia and USA. So Yuri Gagarin, that's the first person. Um, space to yeah, warning. First person to went the out of space like that. So he also don't know about that one. So we have to research it. No, we have to research it. So only Neil Armstrong only heard the Adhan and see it everything. Why? He's because of his landing on first man in the moon. Because of that. What about Yuri Gagarin? Why he can't hear anything? Why he didn't see um, any bright light over the Kabatullah, Makkah? So, so he said there when he landed on the moon. So Neil Armstrong is a Kabatullah. Let me focus on Kabatullah. So like that. Okay, okay, like that here, moon over here. After his landing is a Kabatullah over here. It's not big. So there's a white light straight because it's our God, I believe, so Allah throne over here because of that light. It's not possible. The normal human being can't see it. So this what he tried to say. Okay, that time no one decided to go, no one think about human can reach that to moon. The and that time the Allah the power directly to link with the Allahu Akbar. I can't able to explain the what he tried to say. So after only landing, so he can able to see that white light, and then only the angel decide, okay, human land to moon. Though we made the mistake, Allah know what will happen, what going to happen, what Allahu Akbar. He know everything. So he know human going to land the moon, like everything. So like why he only saw the moonlight? What happened to Yuri Gagarin? So why is no one mentioning in the space station always rotating on Earth? No, rotating on the Earth like space station like that. So space station or why they are not seeing any light? Why only Neil Armstrong need to see it? Yeah. And why is the first man went to the moon? That guy also not see Yuri Gagarin. Oh my god. And let's see Neil Armstrong on. Okay. How Neil Armstrong landed Moon? Okay. And Apollo 9. Okay, leave it, man. How many hours? I think there's a. What did Neil Armstrong see from Moon to Earth? So I don't know how to search it. These are the dumb question. I had to find the answer. Okay. Look at the time and date. How many hours there? State on the moon. Everything there, no? So you can see it. How long Neil Armstrong stay on the moon? So they are not even searching at least 1%. He said to arguing me, you don't try to act like you know everything. So for me also, I don't know. Look at that. I am also searching something. I can't find the answer. You know. So I'm not saying I like I know everything like that. I'm also a human being. I don't know anything. No, my mobile motorbike breakdown. So I don't know how to repair it. That's the arguing how of people bring with me when I try to argue with them. Don't act like you know everything. Eh, Rabbi, I'm not saying I know everything. I just trying to point out to you there's some mistake. What you are understanding, just go and research it properly. I don't want to learn everything. At least basic thing. You try to learn it, understand it. Don't say what rumors you have heard about other people without researching something stupid like that. Don't argue with me. That's the thing I try to say to him, but he don't care. Look at that. 11 hours 36 minutes so there. So total how many hours there? You have to do it. Go to Google professor over there. Even your mobile phone, maybe he using iPhone. These people he has a money. I think he's a manager or some company, but he refused to research it because of his uh, lack of knowledge. I don't know. I just confuse it in the lack of knowledge, lack of like the lack of oxygen, lack of knowledge. So he just argue with me. So why you are act like you know everything? No one know everything like that. I say I'm also saying I'm not saying I know everything. I don't know. I'm also fed up. Okay, can you see is from Makkah from Habasa? So all you have to search it from Google. Professor Google will answer to every question. So look at the UAE first claim. This is how Kabatullah you can see. Look at that. So Kabatullah over here. So this is so far I can able to see that Kabatullah. So if I zoom it again, so human eye you can just zoom it. No, this is how you can see it. So if some person if they don't know anything of the Saudi Arabia geographical location, he can able to see the Kabatullah huge space. No, it's a specifically color with that color white color black and white like that you can able to notice over here also. Look at that, there are someone built here Kabatullah, you can able to see that black box. God damn man, grow up. Just Don't like a dumb. Allah Akbar. UAE. You can also see the UAE over here. Yeah. All you have to do is go to Google and search it. There's a few things. That's a international space station. That's a word I try to search it. Okay, you can able to see it, but you can see the structure. Even if the structure. Sorry, it's too late, no? Look at that. Otherwise, I forgot to make it video and I had to upload it. I had to send it. Can you really see the Great Wall of China? Yeah, all you have to go to here and search it. Search it. I'm using some kind of pre-test something. Okay. Can you see the Great Wall of China? Okay, leave it over here. Look at that. And popular myth. It's a myth. Some people can see, some people can't see. Not like that. But it is not true. So people are just claiming it's a huge wall, famous wall. You can able to see. Look at that. Still, I'm trying to explain that. This is Earth, no? This is Earth. So this is a Chinese wall. If you is a, let's say it's a 1 kilometer. Let's say not a 1 kilometer, 10 kilometer. This is a 100, not a 100 kilometer. Yeah, 100 kilometer. Leave it that one. I don't know 100 kilometer how far is that one. So 100. If you can see it from here, this line going to be like that, small like that. If you can able to go here 100 kilometer, this line even fade away. You can't able to see it because you can only see the length, but you can't see the width. So width mean this. With my pronunciation problem, so I can't able to translate with the correct word because I'm not practicing my the English language. So in no one willing to talk with me. So regarding that one, I am out of touch with English. Length not a problem, huge length, but the width only problem. Width is small. You like a, I don't know. There's a one guy. We have a hometown army guy. He also say, "Oh, you can see." Dumbass. It's really hard. See, is it a great wall? Okay, look at that. You can able to see over here. There's a Mongolia and Beijing over here like that. This one, which one? See, human draw the okay, okay, sorry. Look at that. This is how they can able to see in our earth like that. From here, you can see the Kabatullah. Super. So let me see the search it like that. Live world. Live world. Live world from International Space Station ISS. NASA live streaming Earth Pro. Okay, look at that. I don't know. Yeah, you can able to see that location where is right now like that everything. This is how they are seeing, no? Look at that. Where you are currently located your satellite over here. So sorry, I tried to point on my finger. This over here. It's in my mouse point. So just god damn it, dumbass. Google it. So let me come to China. Okay, let me come to the China. Okay, so it's come to like that. Okay, China. Satellite over here. Over here. Look at that. I need to little bit backward. Oh, maybe Australia. Now I'm over the Australia. So let me see the Sydney. God dang. Come on, man. Try to grow up. Don't listen to rumor. So if you need more anything, just Google it. You can find it. Don't argue with me. I'm not tarnishing you. I'm not saying
Hi,
like that.
Francesca from Quizlet here.
I just all you had to go to research it and proper way to understand what you are trying to say. He's saying certain things. He expecting some answer, so like a pre-programmed. Okay, eat more correct. Your eyes going to you can able to see in night. It's not true. It's not true. Certain vitamin from carrot will help to eyes to improve your vision. It's not going to be improved until night vision. So that's a dumb question, no? So you can't able to see it the night. So you can able to see it in with light with a little bit quality like that. No, you can't able to. There's some problem. Certain people eyes. So if they eat the correct, it's going to be cured. So say that some kind of vitamin. Look at that. I can't able to remember vitamin. What's the vitamin there in the correct also? There's a 26 alphabetic, no? There one of the alphabetic there. So can you really see them? Go and Google it, and like that. He tried to what we say. He tried to recommended some. Look at that Chinese wall. This is how they can able to see certain time only. This one is some different photography method only they can able to see it. Pyramid over here. There's a building. This building, look at that. This building, if you go to the here, Tokyo Central, BR Brown Central, like that, you just copy that location. Look at that in my mouse point. Look at that building. Huh? You just go here, Google it. You will get that picture. On not only China wall and Makkah only not see. You can able to see the human-made building was a certain building. Look at that map. You can see that big mall. Look at that. This infrastructure you can able to see it from space. God damn it. Not only Chinese wall. From here I can find the China. Oh, look at that over here. There's a Chinese wall. Maybe that's a Chinese wall. Okay. God damn. Grow up, man. I'm not tarnishing you. Just you had to learn. Don't listen to rumors. Okay, Neil Armstrong converted to Islam. Maybe he'll hear the what we call Adhan. Oh, I'm asking. Okay, not Neil Armstrong, not a first person to went to the moon. Moon is out of his space, and it's the Yuri Gagarin. He is how many times Yuri Gagarin rotated the Earth? Yuri Gagarin. Yuri Gagarin. So I can spelling. Yeah, Yuri Gagarin. Okay. Yuri Gagarin. Look at that. Soviet pilot became first human journey into the out of space. Why is the Yuri Gagarin not here the Adan? And why he didn't see that the white line above the Kabatullah? Maybe he's from Russia. He's from Mother Russia. That's why he's not going to say, God damn. Yuri Gagarin. Mm, how long? How long? Uh, stay. How long stay in space? All you have to Google it. Google. Professor Google will tell you everything. Look at the timing is 1 hour and 8 minutes. Google Gaga, how long is space? And 1 hour and 84 minutes. Let me say the image. Maybe there's some Yuri Gagarin. Look at that. Yuri Gagarin from here to launch it here. Let me see that. Come on, images. Launch it over here, land it over here. Look at that, how he rotate the moon, our earth. Oh guy. From here, anyone bring up the argument, oh, he not going to the above the Saudi Arabia. From here, you can able to see entire Africa and also from Saudi Arabia also. God damn man, grow up, man, grow up. Even if I give to this video, even if I provide some details, he going to end of the day, he going to tarnish me. He going to ignore my knowledge. He going to say, listen, boss, you don't act like you know everything. God damn it, man. It's a point of time of waste. No, it's a time waste of time. Sorry, waste of time of mine. Try to explain to him, but I only heard about really irritating, well educated, maybe well educated. Okay, he's married, has a children, has a good career, is a manager or something. But when he argue with some people, he has some like a stupid idea. Someone instead he's learning from some kind of old story, made up story. He believing that story and try to preach to others. That's make me angry. Even that one, it's a rare oil from Amazon. Why is a rare oil from Amazon only getting from Amazon? Why doctor or anyone using only he normal shop using that one? If the rare oil from Amazon, God damn it, man! You can able to get it from Sri Lanka. There's a huge billionaire. They are losing their hair. Even Charles Prince William, William Prince William also. Prince William. William. I spelling wrong, so it's one of my problems. I'm not practicing English. This is not my first language. Look at that poor guy. He was a bald. Poor guy. We had to give that oil, rare oil, no, the rare oil to him to recover his hair. God damn it, he has a more wealth than me or that guy. Why he can't use that oil? Will Smith and Rock, the Daniel Johnson. Leave it, man, leave it. But it's no point to argue with him some with him. So I try to explain to him or say anything. That they are no use to me also. But really sad to see him when he argue with me. So for me, his level is highest level. I am respecting him, not respecting. I acknowledge, not acknowledge. I understand him. So he is a well-established career with family, social status. When he opened his mouth, he expected people to answer it the certain way. He decided to, he like a dictator and like, okay, you eat the carrot, you can able to see night. Then I had to say yes, of course I'll try that one. I can't say like that now. Yeah, man, you can't see it night if you eat a carrot. It's a false claim. Did you fact check? Fact checks. That means if you say something, you have to research it. Is it true or false? Like that? Did you done some research? I had to ask it, no? So he, God damn it, man! Is there no point? I'm argue with him. I'm not going to win. So he'll tarnish me to his level and his level of knowledge, and he going to beat me. So it doesn't matter. So anyhow, I'm going to send this video to him. So God bless him. Halo, apa kabar Blondie?